I'm here now from the mechanics. Look at that my car. My car I have a lot of problem again. Oh my goodness. And my husband gonna change everything this. Look at that. He changed everything. Already here. This is the place about this. All my followers gonna tell that I'm sorry. Until not, I'm not using this car because my husband gonna change everything. Ah,
I'm just fixing it. I'm not changing everything. I'm just fixing it. Okay.
are you sure?
I'm not changing everything.
He said that's never gonna change everything.
Since
Only
I am mechanically inclined, which means I know the principle
he said he knows about the
of
principle.
automobiles, and I know what's essential in terms of what needs to be corrected before bigger issues arise. You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeehaw!
All of that is mechanics. Also, my mechanic is coming. The wearing of white shirt is a mechanic of my honey bombs car.